Hello, my name is Jos van der Velde. I want to show you how to run the AIoD project locally, so how to set up your own REST API. First of all, we're going to go to this link where the code is here. So you see the source code hosted on GitHub. And first thing we want to do is we want to check out this code, make sure it is on our own computer. So just put it somewhere. I'll just create a new directory here. I will delete this later because I already have it somewhere on my system. So now we've got it on our own system. So I did the git clone command. That's very good. Next, so please take some time to read all this README. There's a lot of information here. We should make sure we have any of the OSs, and we should make sure that we have Docker. If you don't have Docker yet, please install it. There are some development prerequisites. You don't need it for what I'm going to show you now. So we need to install it. First step is to create a Docker network. Very good, it's quite simple. Then we should run the MySQL server. So there's actually a nice script for this. You see it here. It's just a docker run command, and we can do that. Let's do it. Very good. What's the nice thing to know is if you want to shut this down, Ctrl+C doesn't work, but Control and then / does work. And now we quitted it, so let's run it again. Very good. Now I'm opening up a new terminal. To go further, I want to start up the REST API. First of all, we need to perform this. I'm not going to do that now. So normally you would do the Docker build, just this command without this comment thing before it. I won't do it now because it takes a bit more, too much time, but because I've already done it. Next, we can just run it. So there's again a script file here for your convenience. Oh, I'm not in the right directory. So here we are again. Script file, some interesting things. Rebuild database. So every time you're going to restart this script, the database is going to be completely cleaned, and it's going to be filled with examples, which takes a little bit of time. We could add some other comments here to add connectors to OpenML and to Hugging Face, but let's not do that right now. So let's just run it. So what you're seeing now, it's just going to fill the database with all kind of information. Very good. And hereafter we have it on our local hosts. So you can just go to localhost 8000, and there we are. So that concludes the first video here.